Application of polymer hot air welding machine. Roofing PVC TPO CPE EPDM welding. Laying the PVC membrane ahead of time. Overlap the edges of upper and down membrane by 4 cm. Turn on the main power switch. Set the temperature at 580 degrees Celsius. Set the speed at 5.2 meters per minute. Adjust air volume. Wait until the set temperature is reached. Lean down the welding nozzle. The machine will run automatically. Pressure ruler. The pressure can reach up to 17 kg. Compact structure. After welding, the welding nozzle returns to its original position and stops welding automatically. Set the temperature at 0 degrees Celsius. Please wait for current temperature to drop below 50 degrees Celsius. Set the speed to 0. Adjust air volume. Turn off the main power switch when the current temperature cools down below 50 degrees Celsius.